Hi guys, I'm Krish and I'm here with this product which is caged. Now, this product, what the problems are going to solve this product we will discuss here. Okay, so this all things this product is going to solve all in one list building for email marketing and all passive income, because if you will do email marketing and other types of marketing, so you will generate passive income also. Traffic solution works in any niche. So if you come from any niche, no worry, you can go ahead with this. Now, done for you lead pages and done for you monetized websites. It means you already enabled monetization. I don't know what is the meaning of this, but we will discuss and cross check this all things. Okay, optimized for conversions. Okay, so you will earn from conversions. It means online sales. Second, you will earn from monetization websites. Okay, if someone is going to click on your advertisements, not on your advertisement, on your websites and advertisements on your websites, then you will make money again. Okay, so we will discuss each and everything. No expensive designers or copywriters needed, so already written content you will get it. It means, okay, 100% pure profit system including hosting traffic means zero overhead cost. So that it means including hosting means you will be able to create landing pages and like this websites and all, so it will be pretty good thing for you. Okay, so no content creation ever. Okay, so you don't need to create content. Okay, it will do for you. Okay, legally and ethically, all these things we will discuss. No worry. Have fun while making money. Customize your caged campaign and all these things. Educate and entertain both. Okay, you can again open some streams. Okay, in form of websites and videos, whatever. Fully automated one-time setup for non-stop leads. So for all these things, actually, you are going to solve if you have any problem related to all these things. So just because of this product you are going to solve that. Now, this is member access area. You can see here, we will discuss each and everything, okay, each and every feature. And later you will know and you can understand it will fit for you. Okay, it is going to fit for you or not. So, okay, so, okay, this is sales page. You can see all these things here. 180-day money back guarantee. You can see here 180-day money back guarantee. So you can try this, okay, because you have too much time to decide this is going to fit for you or not. So, okay, come here. Now, this is dashboard, I think. Yes, this is dashboard. So what is this? Your first step. Okay, you have to follow this, okay, after logging in. 1 minute, 39-second video. Okay, just go and watch and follow this all things. And tutorials, let me see what is coming in the tutorial. This time I came with this type of the bonuses. You can see here, exclusive bonus affiliate traffic lab, so that you will get traffic on your affiliate offers, CPA offers, website. Coming with this 17 bonuses more. Okay, we will discuss each later, but right now what I have to see. Uh, wait. What was the password? I'm not getting password. Mm, Just wait, I'm coming with password. Okay, wait. Okay, so just trying password. Actually, I forgot. Sorry for that. I'm just trying. Give me 1 minute only so that I can go again inside. I think I'm inside. Let it load. Okay, this will be official site. Till then, you can watch this. Okay, all these features are you are going to get. You have to just copy and paste. You can see copy and paste system finally. All those things and problems which I shared with you already. Now, this is inside area. This is first step you have to follow. Now come with tutorial so that we can see what is inside the tutorial. Actually, you have to follow all these tutorials. Okay, then you can solve all that problems if you have related to all those points which I shared, which I shared with you. So it is taking too much time. Why it is taking too much time, I don't know. Okay, so this is tutorial. Okay, I'm going to leave this. Okay, already you have to just learn and take the training related to software and tools. Okay, nothing special, but it is taking too much time. I'm back again. Actually, I want to show you each and every feature so that you can decide this is going to fit for you or not. Just give me 1 minute. So again, we are here inside. So now this is campaign. So we will discuss this option right now, and we will try to create campaign. So these are some campaigns already made. So I'm going to create new one in front of you directly related to what niche should be. Actually, you can come from any niche. So I am coming from luxury niche, for example. Okay, luxury niche is also a good and totally high ticket niche. So luxury campaign title, campaign name is again luxury items, theme color and all you can decide it by your own like this. Okay, same like this. So I'm going to choose in this one, for example. Okay, campaign description, choose items for your luxury livings. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you items. Don't have boy banner images and all. Registration headline act now. Choose file for what? Advertise. Okay, add URL. Which add URL? I think this is Facebook add URL. The post. Okay, the post when you create, and for that particular post, if you're thinking or if you're planning to run ads, so I maybe that URL of that particular post. Okay, so this is video collection included. Choose video, for example, nothing about luxury, but just for example, I'm going with this Gaston. Okay, site name related. It should be related luxury. So luxury games. Okay, about site you can put whatever. Creator, I am. Career title, lifestyle, spoken English, create code. You can choose file. Okay, drop down setting, button text. Hey, drop down content, video URL. You can put any URL. Okay, related to your niche or product, whatever. Drop down content, introduction, button text, get now. Drop down. Actually, too much deeper it is going. Okay, now this is integration is coming. Okay, here now you will need some API keys here. I think this is side panel setting. You can do according to side panel trigger button and all. This is autoresponder. What is autoresponders are available? Good. All these things are available, but Klaviyo is not here. But you can go ahead with that also. So choose list and tags if you have any already email list for email marketing. So I don't have. I'm going to create now from this button. So let's see what will happen. Done. So the name, what was my, this is luxury. What is the traffic? Okay, so these three options are too much easy. You can just go and you can just view. Okay, here your view will come, appearance and all. Okay, actually I did not play around, but still it's looking too much good, guys. Nice. I tried much and so much tools, but like this, no one made websites for me. Okay, see, get started for free, act now, which I already made in front of you, luxury items. Here is details. Okay, and this all these things I put here. This is actually a review. Okay, if you put some good reviews, actually you have to put reviews by your own. Okay, put with different names so that it will look like real and trustful about site and all. So this will be appearance for your site. So people will love this type of appearance. You will grab some attentions and obviously you will get good CTR. And if you will get good CTR, you will get good number of sales. Okay, so now this is traffic. So I'm going to try this one. What is this for actually? So this page is coming in front of you. So you have to share on all these platforms. Okay, so if you don't have platforms, sign up accounts and all. So just go with this all, because I don't know many things from that. I am on Blogger, so I'm just going to share on my Blogger in front of you. Okay, if it is possible right now, then so you let me begin, create new blog. No, I have already with this, so I'm going to do with this. Okay, just give it time, guys. Let's see what will happen. So on this, I already created blog, so much blog. So I want to add this one also, so we can see how it will look like. So I'm done here. Actually, nothing is coming here, so we should preview this. Okay, if someone is coming on my blog, how it will look like. Okay, so I'm going to check this one. So it will look like this. See, this is my already some content which I put already in my blogger. Okay, not in this cached, not here. Okay, not here, and not even here. I just click on this, just watching it. So it will look like this. Okay, this is my personal information here on the right side. On top, this is my personal information, and here will be your content or whatever, done for you landing pages, done for you content, done for you online products, whatever. Okay, I already discussed with you. I already discussed with you all. What was that problem? See, I already discussed with you with all these things. Okay, so all these problems related to all these things you are going to clear here right now. So I'm just going to cancel it. Okay, I'm not going to publish. Okay, I just already shown you how it will look like when you share this your content on any platform. Okay, so I shown you. So let's come back on the all these things. So it will look like which I already shown you here on Blogger. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. So that's how you will get traffic, organic traffic. It is actually okay, not advertisement and all. So I made campaign. I think this is campaign. Yes, campaign. And you can just create for you. Okay, just go ahead because it is creating landing pages as well as the websites also. So you are in profit. Okay, you don't need hostings. Okay, in generally hostings, people have to pay monthly or annually, but here you don't have to do that. Now this is page content. So come and look what is coming inside this. You can add new, you can search in YouTube, manage your video URL collection. So this is video URL or what? I clicked on page content, I think, but no worry. This is crypto as a payment and all some demos are available, but no worry. I'm going to create new one in front of you. This one, my website, which I already created in front of you. Going to close this. This is my landing page. Okay, if you want to read each and everything, I made this landing page and I provided all information. You can go and watch and you can take knowledge about this. So create a video URL name, same luxury. Okay, luxury video URL collection from, there is no option here, but no worry. This is some demos for you. You can create by your own. You can put here from YouTube and all. So for example, trading. Okay, because luxury and trading, something relatable. Video URL don't have right now. Even I didn't open YouTube. Video URL description. This is all about luxury items. Okay, something related. So I'm going to create nothing else here. Okay, so this will be video URL for forms. I think this video will connect into your website. Actually, I closed that. Okay, so your website will look like more good. Actually, your appearance will be too much attention grabbing. Okay, video URL you have to put. Okay, I don't have, but okay, give me a time. I'm going on YouTube so that I can show you. Some video and later we can Actually, you can understand this is going to fit for you or not. Okay. Okay, related video, product related and all. This is billionaire and all. There is no button here. I need to click on this. Give it a time, guys. Give it a time so that you can understand. Actually, I've told you much times. Okay, sorry for that. Share. Where is the link? It is copy or not. Okay, it may be, it's done. I'm going to close this and back again, put here. Okay, preview also available. Nice. Actually, this is super attention grabbing page. Actually, this product is creating super attention grabbing page. Okay, and always, guys, you need this. Okay, if you are successful for attention grabbing, you can increase your CTR. You can increase your number of visitors on your page or websites. Okay, so that chances will be too much higher for getting revenues and profit from monetization, because visitors are coming on your page. And absolutely, if your content is very good, there are chances will be too much high for getting sales. Okay, so attention grabbing is much easy. So I made this one. Okay, this is completely for video, but here written page content, but logo is related to video. So just going to create this one. Okay, what is the name? Actually, luxury. So we will see later how it will look like. So luxury, ABC luxury should be on third page, I think. H, fifth page, I think. Again, H, I, J, K, L, I think on fifth page, our luxury will be. This is, okay, I put some description. This is all about luxury and all. You can edit this and search in YouTube, manage your video URL collection. You can manage, it's too much simple, but okay, let me show you how to do that. Back to adding URL and all. Manage means, okay, some editing and all, nothing else. Okay, you can create again here from here. So this is complete about page related to video, so that your video page will look like too much attention grabbing, and it will, it may be you can attach it on your website. Okay, website and landing page for grabbing some visitors and customers. So these are some products. Going to click on that. And let's see what is coming. Into your arms tonight. So this is Coinbase and all. Someone is created related to crypto and all. Actually, crypto is much interested right now. I don't know why, but if you want, I will come with that topic too. So now going to create my product page. Actually, this is product page, I think. And all this page you can create on, you can attach on your website. Product, for example, wedding arc. Okay, this is also related to wedding and luxury product. Product category is, I didn't create a category. You can create some categories directly from other options. Okay, so category affiliate essentials, no worry. Product excerpt, you can put whatever related to your product. Product button text, get now. Product button URL, what URL? Okay, let's see what will come. Going to create now. Created. So what was the name? Actually, okay, yes, wedding art, no image available, no worry. So what is this? This is product. Here you can see some your video related page, and here will be your campaign, so that you can create one in all. So this is done for you something. So if it all these things are useful for you, so you can choose in this. All things done from you. You can edit and you can play around with this according to your product and niche. So this is NFT. I'm clicking on this just to check what is coming, and we can model it according to our product or not. So yes, we can all add URL and a video collection included. Okay, so you can create your videos, I think here. Okay, I made some lifestyle or luxury related, but I'm not getting that option. But no worry, here is tutorial available. You can go and you can watch completely. This is creator. I think actually on your website, actually this all things are going to attach with your website so that you can, your appearance of your website will be too much pretty good. Okay, according to me, it is something like that. Okay, so this all are done for you. You can edit with them, delete also. Okay, this all are done for you. You can just replace this. So delete, I'm not going to delete. I'm just going to select this. And for example, if I can put something else by replacing this, so I will try that. Maybe I have to do this from here. Okay, replacing and all. So you can do that also. This will be, this you can replace from here. Okay, for example, I put this, see. Okay, now you got it, I think. So that's how you will replace according to your product and all. Okay, so I put this video, okay, instead of that one. And here also you can do that. This is, I think this is picture actually. So no worry, you can do all these things from more insights. That is how you will create this. So this will be done for you things. Now come and see some free traffics, because it is most important things. If this is not available, then what you will do by doing all these things. So let's see. Free traffic. Okay, so you have to learn from here how to use 2-minute 29-second video. Step 1, affiliate traffic like lab. You are going to get this for free from my bonus page. Okay, this is my exclusive bonus, affiliate traffic lab. Okay, so you will get traffic from here. Step 2, activate free traffic app 2 and 3. Okay, let me click on this so that we can see what is coming in front of you. Till then, we will discuss here. Step 3 is activate more free traffic. Okay, your traffic training is here. Okay, so you can do all these things. So I'm just, this is download free traffic, right? Too much things they are provided you. Download your bonuses here, access and all these things, 0 for, wow, nice, nice, nice. So click here for free traffic. Okay, let me check this one. So I before I clicked on this tube traffic machine and all, this is, I think, upsell or what, I don't know. So for example, I'm going to click on that. This is traffic Z, which I clicked just right now, just some minutes ago. So just from here, you can get some traffics also. You have to learn all these things in tutorial. Okay, this is your traffic training is here. So you will learn all these things from here. Okay, so I clicked on many products. This is too much easy. I don't need to click on this to show you, because you are already going to get these bonuses, get this all these things as a bonus. So this is traffic, triple traffic bots. Let me create account and let me show you what is coming. I'm just going to cancel all these things. So let me, so that we can focus on this only. Creating account in front of you just for demo. Triple traffic bots, VIP member area, welcome to this and all. Press play now. Here will be register for the VIP members workshop. Actually guys, I'm checking directly in front of you. Okay, just don't think I'm coming here by doing practices and all. No, do all these things directly in front of you. So never, don't allow. Click here to super change your income and all this. Maybe some upsells. You can see this is your member access area, triple traffic boards. This all these things you will learn here. And just because of this, you will get some traffic on your website, pages, offers, and all. Some more resources, some bonuses. Okay, I'm not going to show you this all in details. For example, I click on this 16-minute video. Okay, this is overview, I think, how to set up your site. Okay, this is good thing if you are going to set up, because you are already going to get, if you are already getting websites. Okay, 9-minute video here. I think this is useful, valuable. Okay, so I created my account there also. So just leaving this. Okay, from here, when you click on these buttons, just go ahead by clicking step-by-step buttons and you will reach there. Okay, triple traffic bot, remember the name. Okay, so I'm done from my side, guys. Okay, free traffic. These are some upgrades. Okay, if you go ahead with some OTOs and upgrades, so this is for that. Okay, and help and upgrades. This is for supports and all. Go with your receipt details and all. Okay, but you don't need, because if you are inside this area, you already paid for this. Now, what is here? Integrations you can do directly. Tutorial, again, tutorials. This button is again here available. This sign out is again available here. So tools and integration, let me show this, what is inside the tools. Auto profit boots. Okay, wow, this is again good. All these automations you can see here. Okay, tools and integration. So I'm going to create new one. Let's see what will come. Title, copy. Okay, Facebook pixel, put your Facebook pixel code. If you don't know, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. Go ahead and you can see Facebook comments. You can, I think, pre-made. You can, I think, this pre-made, all these things. Okay, I'm just doing this for example, create Facebook tool. Okay, so this all complete, this is complete automation. So for you, I'm just going to create this one. So let's see what will happen. Auto profit boost. Okay, it is done. FB pixel I don't have right now. Later you can put your FB pixel. It will be some n number of digit code and whatever, and you can again rechange this one. Exit pop-ups. Let me see what is inside this. Exit pop-ups, nothing. Social proof pop-ups. Let me see. Okay, new, create new social proof. Okay, let's try this one. Images, title, content, social proof link. For example, okay, just randomly clicking on this. Display time should be 5 and all difference should be 2. This is in seconds or minutes, I don't know, but I just going to save this. Okay, I need one file. So, okay, let me do this also. So that we can actually, just because of checking all and each and everything, you can understand this product is going to fit for you or not. Okay, I'm done from my side, saving. Let's see what is coming. Automations and all those things which I shared with you before. All these things are available inside. What happened, guys? Let me see what happened. The screen is completely white. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute so that I can check and I can show you what happened. Okay, so done from my side, guys. Okay, this option you will get from here, tools. Okay, so clicking again on this, let me show you what is coming. Actually, I made one right now, but okay, this is not done actually. But okay, no worry. Let me show you what options are coming in integrations. Instead, apart from get, response, and all that, Okay, so ConvertKit, GetResponse, Weber, Mailchimp. Okay, these options are available, guys, for you. Okay, directly you can connect, put your API key, and it will be done. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to sign out this because I am done all these things from my side. According to me, now this is my page. This bonus you are going to get, which is affiliate traffic lab. Inside member access area, you will get again some more bonuses. Okay, this 17 bonuses you can you are also going to get. Okay, you can pause this video, you can read right now. Okay, all these things are available for you. Click on any button to get this product, which is cached, and what this product will do. You already know what it will do. I already shared in starting. Okay, so okay guys, I'm done from my side. We will come with this we will come with new product later if they are useful. Okay, and we will meet again. Till then, bye.